The K-Rain Pro LC Wi-Fi enabled controller can be operated using Wi-Fi by adding the Bridge Wi-Fi module, or it can be run manually. This video will demonstrate basic manual programming. Turn the dial to Set Time Date. The default is hours. Press the up or down buttons to set the current hour. Press Next to go to minutes. Press the up or down buttons to set current minutes. Press the back and next buttons simultaneously to toggle between 12 and 24-hour display. Press Next to go to date. The default is day. Press the up or down buttons to select the current day. Press Next to go to month. Press the up or down buttons to set the current month. Press Next to go to year. Press the up or down buttons to set the current year. Return the dial to auto. Up to 4 start times are available for each program. Turn the dial to Set Program Start Times. Default is hours. Press the Programs button to select program A, B, or C. Press the up or down buttons to change the start time. The time setting change is in 15-minute increments. Press the Next button to display the next start time. Repeat as necessary. To eliminate a start time, press the up or down buttons until Off appears in the display. The off setting is located between 11:45 p.m. and 12 a.m. Return the dial to auto. The Pro LC can be programmed to operate 4 different ways. Custom, waters on the days of the week you select. Odd, waters on the odd number of days of the month. Even, waters on the even numbered days of the month. Cyclic, waters on a selected daily interval such as every 5 days, for example. Turn the dial to Set Watering Days. MON for Monday should appear. Press the Programs button and select program A, B, or C. Press the up or down buttons to enable on or disable off day of the week operation. Press Next to advance to the next day of the week. Repeat the steps until all days of the week have been set. Return the dial to auto. Turn the dial to Set Watering Days. Press the Programs button and select program A, B, or C. Press the back and next buttons simultaneously until odd or even appears. Return the dial to auto. Turn the dial to Set Watering Days. Press the Programs button and select program A, B, or C. Press the back and next buttons simultaneously until Cycle appears in the upper right corner and Days Remaining is flashing in the bottom left corner. The display shows the number of days remaining until the next watering day and the number of days in the cycle. Press the up or down buttons to set the number of days in the cycle from 1 to 31. For example, to water every 5 days, set the day cycle to 5. Press Next to go to Remaining Days. Press the up or down buttons to set the number of days remaining before the next automatic watering should begin. Return the dial to auto. The maximum number of stations are 4, 8, or 12 depending on the unit you purchased. Stations can be set from 1 minute up to 6 hours. The first hour settings are in 1-minute increments. The remaining 5 hours can be set in 10-minute increments. Turn the dial to Set Station Runtimes. Press the Programs button and select program A, B, or C. Press the up or down buttons to set the length of time you want the station to operate. Press the Next button to advance to the next station in sequence. Repeat the steps until a runtime is set for each desired station in the program. Return the dial to auto.